1 liter of milk on an average you get 600 calories. If your average requirement is nearly 2000, say 500 or 600, you require how many? 5 liters. So 5 liters, in order to replace your food intake, you have to take 4 to 5 liters of water, milk. Hmm? Now suppose milk travel start. Let us start the travel of milk. Let us start traveling with the milk. Milk is drawn in the barn, in the cow, from the cow's udder into the utensils. It is taken to the milk collection center by motorcycle. You are using petrol. In milk collection center, the milk is gathered in the morning and in the evening. What happens in the evening? A tempo comes from Solapur. With the cans. In the cans there is ice. With the ice, it comes with the ice. Ice requires electricity. Electricity requires fossil fuel. So fossil fuel is required to make ice. Then fossil fuel is required to take that ice to Ankoli. Then from Ankoli, the milk is carried to Solapur. So nearly 50 kilometers. Nearly, 60 kilometers, 65 kilometers, the total travel. And you consume lot of diesel for that. So milk is reached up to Solapur Dairy. Solapur Dairy. Then there it is heated and suddenly cooled. It is called as pasteurization. Pasteurization requires lot of electricity, gas to burn. You have to burn those fuels, fossil fuel or petroleum. Then it is kept in the refrigerator or cold storage. Cold storage requires lot of electricity because it requires constantly compression. So for 2 to 3 days it is kept in the cold storage. Then it is carried to Mumbai by tanker. And Mumbai is at sea level and we are 1800 feet high. 1800. So milk is travelled to Mumbai, and we have to take that tanker back 1800 feet up. So to and fro lift and the long distance, nearly 450 kilometers, means 900 kilometers travel is required to take one tanker of milk to Mumbai, and that too and while traveling also the refrigeration goes on because you require a lot of refrigeration. Milk has to be kept at 4 degrees centigrade temperature. So it goes to Mumbai. There is a dairy. Again it is brought to the dairy. It is again pasteurized, kept in the cold storage. So you require lot of fuel there, lot of petrol. Then from from the dairy, it is taken to the packing plant. It is packed in what? Pouches. Pouches are made of plastic is made of petroleum. So milk is packed in petroleum. That goes to the retail stores. Retail stores, they take the milk into the refrigerators. It is kept refrigerators. In the morning, somebody goes to the shop or collection center. He or she comes to house. Hmm? That fellow 70, 60 kilogram takes only 1 liter of milk and comes by the lift. The lift is electricity. Huh? he, he rings the bell using electricity again. Huh? Then the then the woman inside comes like this, what is this? And she just takes the pouch of milk, which is very cool. Huh? She doesn't wait for the to come to room temperature. She immediately sees it on the gas.
Yes.
Huh? On the gas. So gas is used nearly to heat 1 liter of milk from room temperature to boiling temperature. It takes about 1200 gas calories. So, but the woman doesn't wait to the temperatures to be up to room temperature. So the milk is boiled, tea is prepared, remaining milk is taken and kept in the refrigerator. Taken refrigerator, then again heating, again kept in the refrigerator. Huh? And then some curd is made, some buttermilk is made, then some butter is prepared, then again heated to make ghee. The ghee is also kept in the refrigerator. So how many times you use gas and electricity? Then make ice creams. So many things. Huh? So if you calculate the petrol calories in 1 liter of milk, they are hundreds times more than the actual calories available in the milk. It is foolishness to consume milk in the cities. We have to import petroleum and fossil fuel to run this industry. And this foolishness doesn't stop over there. This extra milk is converted into ice cream. And that ice cream is brought back to Solapur. Vadilal, Dinshaw. Is it not? Huh? You must have consumed that. Definitely. So that ice cream comes back, the cups and all, everything requires petroleum. Making ice cream, keeping the ice cream in that condition, and then you consume this thing. Some biscuits, chocolates, they also come from Mumbai, Mumbai or Pune to Solapur. The foolishness doesn't stop over there. The feed, animal feed also comes from Godrej Pashu Ahar. Godrej Pashu Ahar. Too. And what happens then for Pashu Ahar also, the oil seeds
fertilizer.
Oil seeds are transported to Godrej. They produce the oil, Godrej oil, and soaps, and the remaining part is Pashu Ahar. So Pashu Ahar comes back. So this is to and fro the travel. That takes lot of petroleum. There's lot of petroleum. You are not drinking milk, but you are drinking petrol. you're not drinking. Actually, this is petroleum only. So, and in the meanwhile, manufacturing of cars, manufacturing of the trucks, manufacturing of those tankers, manufacturing of refrigeration equipment, manufacturing of pasteurization plant, dairy equipment, the cans, everything, right from motorcycles. So everything is engaged to take the milk to mouths of the consumers. And what happens